Let's go.
Today's 4th of July, guys.
You heard him right, guys. Today is 4th of July. Say hey to the blog, baby London. Say hey to the blog king. And we also have my friend Angel. Say hey to the blog Angel. Today is 4th of July, guys. And guys, if you're new to our video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you already subscribed, don't forget to hit the like button. Okay, baby London, let's check out your drip today. Okay, I see you. What kind of shoes you got on, London? Oh, real cute. Okay, King, let me see you. You got on your Tommy shirt and your polo. Okay. You look nice, guys. And guys, can you tell them what are we doing today for the 4th of July, Kingston? Yes, guys, we're getting on a boat. Guys, you heard him right. We're getting on a boat for the 4th of July, guys, to watch the fireworks, guys. Yes, guys. And like I said, guys, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you already subscribed, don't forget to do what, Kingston?
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Yes, guys. And guys, look at our boat. We've been in line, and our boat has finally onboarding, letting us on the boat, guys. And we got another boat that just came past us. They was stunting on us, guys, trying to show off. But guys, look at this view. So far, this view is amazing. Yes, guys. And guys, tell us what you're doing for the 4th of July. Don't forget to leave a comments in our comments to let us know what you guys are doing for the 4th of July tonight, guys. Yes. How you feel, baby lady? You okay? How you doing, King? You okay? Yes, they doing okay, guys. Yes. You excited, Kingston, to see the fireworks? Baby Linda, you excited? This is our first time on a boat. Ain't this right, Kingston? This is our first time, guys, on a boat. And, ooh, shoot. And my best friend. Best friend, ain't this your first time on a boat? Yes, guys. Turn around so the blog can see your face. Yes, this is her first time on a boat as well, guys. And we're about to just turn up and have a great time, guys. Oh my God, it's about to be a movie. Yes. You scared? Don't be scared. King, are you scared to get on the boat, King? You're not scared? Baby London, are you scared to get on the boat? No, they're not scared, guys. And don't forget to comment down below to let us know, have you ever got on a boat? Yes. The earring came out. Baby London earring came out, guys. Yes, guys, we're on the boat. This is our boat, guys. It's pretty big. It's not too bad.
Touch it.
We got to go through the middle of the seconds. They waving everybody down. But yes, guys, this is our boat for tonight. This is our boat for tonight, guys.
All right, have a good night. Thank you, man.
Okay. We're safe, guys. We made it through the metal detectors. Now we entering the boats.
Wow.
Practice if you got everything.
Huh? I don't know.
How do I get back?
First in the office.
Let's walk around first here. But I want to go upstairs. But they sitting down upstairs, guys.
Up and down. Give you the lights.
How cool is this, King? This pretty cool? London, this pretty cool? Guys, we're moving finally. We're about to take off. Angel, give me 2 paper towels on that counter. Paper towels. I'm sweating bad. 2 paper towels. Oh, your glasses on the floor. These are glasses. Take it up, guys. How cool is this? Baby London, it's cool. Everybody sit down and take our picture. You had fun tonight, King? You had fun tonight, baby London?